Just keep playing. This kid's like wrapped up like a fucking bacon. Oh, he's about to freak out the fuck out. What is that man? Right here. My battery's gonna die. Don't freak. I know. Come on. My battery's gonna die. Fire! Oh, yeah! They're idiots. You were freaking out.
Come on, you gotta get up.
Fuck you in the ass.
Okay.
Get over here, honey.
Oh my god.
Yes,
Suck my dick. Oh, you fucking son of a bitch.
Look at Tyler.
Hey guys, yeah, I have a fucking ripe vagina.
What?
Fucking guys suck. Hi, honey. I have to drive these fucking assholes too, huh?
These assholes?
I'm driving.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about me.
You stay on the right road.
Well, I'm gonna cast to leave. Now, just wanna leave at 6:30. And security's gonna be pretty tight, so I have to leave here in about a couple minutes. And
Good night then.
big fluffy man has to get up here, but
Alright.
yeah, it was a comfortable bed. I think my battery just died. It definitely just died.